I come got me out. Give me.
Aboy!
I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze Dan, I'm at the place, you know. And you're the best comedy.
So not your fault. Yeah. My child here, this, you know. So, every time I name somebody after they come out,
Ula. When I eat biscuit. Belly a rumble. You hungry, you know? I go ask him to some. Oh, boy. Oh, biscuit when me just hear it.
biscuit, brother.
Hey, biscuit where did have?
Brother. No, you. I'm not feel you for me. No, this can't share. No, you cannot go on this. This a mix with disinfectant, bleach, all sort of thing. I'm just adding little food color and figure it a little yellow look. Is me, you not go on it.
Just give me some.
You think you eat it, you know want it.
Me thirsty, you know?
Brother, don't cough the time. You know, see our time.
Yeah, man, me know our time, man. A time for beg out some of your biscuit. Give me some, no?
Brother, you deaf? N-O-T-U. No, N-O, no.
You don't give me none.
No.
Remember, say you see the hang cap on my pot, you know?
Power pat, me no cook.
Not for me. Why do you not come got me out? Give me.
Aboy! If you go at
Take a one trip to the shop. Never know seminar no rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now. Come me too hungry.